Today we are going to read.
Packing my bag.
Okay, what it is?
My book is in my bag.
Good. And next?
My pen is in my bag.
Good. Can you please put your finger here?
My ball is in my bag.
Good. Do you have any ball?
Yes. My apple is in my bag.
Good. Next?
My lunch is in my bag. Next, the lunch is in the bag.
Lunch is in the bag?
Yes.
No, not this one. This one.
My drink is in my bag.
Oh wow, good girl. Next.
My umbrella is not in my bag.
Umbrella is not in my bag?
Yes.
Oh, it's raining. Umbrella should be in the bag.
No,
No?
it's not in the bag.
Oh, this is the end of the book?
Yes.
This is all we have?
Yes. It's in the end.
So, what should be in the bag? A book, a pen, a ball, an apple, and lunch and
Drink.
drink. Yes.
Umbrella is in my bag.
Umbrella is not in my bag.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.